Welcome to Factory Smart!
SPS Drives is the show for the automation technology in Germany and probably worldwide. So we are facing a lot of very interesting talks with customers, with system integrators, with partners. My personal highlight on the SPS IPC Drives 2017 was definitely the presentation at the VDMA forum talking about the GDK tool and the volume checker system. Additionally, highlights has been for sure the great talks with customers, great meetings with our partner, seeing the possibilities, seeing the potential of LMI products within the automation industry in Germany and worldwide.
We have 3 playgrounds that show a single point displacement sensor, a laser line profiler, and a snapshot sensor, all using the basic web interface. Then we've got an application that shows how to align multiple laser line profilers and use our masters to synchronize the data. And then finally we've got a volume checker system, which is an excellent example of how to develop a custom measurement tool using Locator GDK. There are a lot of vendors vendors here actually that sell sensors, laser line profilers, and that generate data. When you're dealing with more complex applications like the measurement of a cylinder head, you've got a lot of processing of that data to do. And one of the things that makes the Locator really special is that it's capable of doing that processing and capable of doing custom processing for a particular application like the volume checker. The highlights for me for the show is actually to see the growth of the automation industry. You know, LMI grows pretty much as robots grow and automation grows. So the growth here is really impressive. Some of the booths are really impressive. I think Germany really is kind of the central hub of automation worldwide. Draws a huge crowd internationally. So we've spoken to a lot of people from outside of Germany. So it's definitely turned into quite a big show here.
We have quite a lot of new things. One theme is Industrial 4.0, for example, and we show how our products and components can do something for Industrial 4.0. A big theme is also embedded systems and ARM processors, things like this. The feedback from the customer is very good because it is very easy and quick to get an image and to get a solution by himself, even if he had never used a 3D system before. We have a lot of good contacts and many people are interested, and I think it's good to show something that's easy to understand, like the Locator.
So, as we see here, our 3506 snapshot sensor that we earlier launched this year, there was a great response from customers, and I will tell you why. Because in the past you used different kind of systems in the machine. You had like a 2D vision, you had the tactile measurement systems. And what's nice is that this system combines all different sensors into one system, because in 3D you can really measure like in 2D as well as in 3D. So when we talk generally about the software features of our products, then I really like to mention that since today everybody is talking about Industry 4.0, actually LMI started already 7 years ago to embed the software in the sensor. So everything is embedded in the sensor head, and there's just one hardware component, which makes it quite easy and functional to use our sensors. So the software, it runs on a web browser based software, and it's graphical, so you don't have to be a programmer to use all our features. And we built a kind of ecosystem around the hardware itself. When you're, for example, a system integrator and you want to protect your development, then we have a Locator development platform for you, which allows you to implement your own measurement algorithms on our software, which gives you a custom firmware, so you protect your IP.
Happy to be wrapping up 2017 here in Nuremberg at SPS. This is our last show of the year. Beginning in 2018, we've got 3 shows in Europe first half of the year. February Tire Tech, April for the Control Show, and June in Munich for Automatica. Look forward to seeing you all there.